Hi guys, once again, welcome to Survival Tech Free Video Text Tutorial. Today, we are continuing on our series of tutorial on how to hack Facebook account. I'm very happy to bring you this exciting video. Today's tutorial is promising to be very exciting. So sit back, relax while you are enjoying it. Before I continue, I will once again say thank you for your support and for all of you who subscribe to this channel, and also for commenting, liking and sharing my video. With your support we can do more. Without your support we can do nothing. And if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please take 1 second of your time and do so now. And also don't forget to like and share this video for others to enjoy it. If you have any comment or complaint, also do well to drop it in the comment box below. I will always do justice to it. After that have been said, it's now time to dive into the business of the day. In our past video, we have stated some of the methods in which your Facebook account can be hacked. And we are bringing you more today. As I have mentioned in the past video, that some of the reasons in which your Facebook account is hacked is either to steal your information or to compromise it. Please, as I always said, this video is for educational purpose only. Please and please don't use it for any malicious act. And one other method in which hackers use to hack into your account is this. For example, if I want to log into somebody's account, I will open my Facebook account. Then from here, I will search for the person that I want to hack his or her account. Let's say I want to hack this person account. Then I will click on it. Then I will copy this link. This is the profile link of the person. I will copy it. Then I will open a web browser and type in this link www.findmyFBID.in, and I press enter. Then from there it will bring me into this page, and I will paste the link of that profile link of that person Facebook account that I copied. I will paste it there. Then I click find my Facebook ID. As you can see, success. Your Facebook personal ID is Then from here, copy this link. Then go to Facebook, paste it in this username box. Then paste it out. Paste on the password. Then click login. As you can see, I've been able to log into this account. This is another method in which hackers use to hack into your account. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe it now. Also, like and share this video for others to enjoy it. Also, thank you. See you come your way next time. Bye for now.
I know this kid's a bit.
Bros, if you no love, I what you get. Victor Eddie, na na na, yeah. Pray for grace, my G. I say pray for grace. Oluwa má gbàgbé mi, I want all this money. Don't want take the same step where I take last year, we don't work for me. Oh Lord, as I dey grind, I dey hustle, bless me with this money. But on your hand that day, I say make you run out for me. Oh. If we don't make money, wait till we get. Oh. Wait till we get. If we don't buy the best, wait till we get. Oh. Wait till we get. If we don't get control, wait till we get. Oh.